Destin with Old 98 Destin. I'm back here today after vacation, and I am in Destin, Florida at Crystal Beach this morning, and it's a beautiful day. If you are planning a trip to Destin soon, check out blissbeachrentals.com. I linked it in the description of this live video, so you can go on there and check out the condos and vacation homes in the area that are available to rent for your next trip to Destin. And I would love to answer any questions for you. If you guys have any questions about visiting Destin soon, drop a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer it for you. Are there fireworks planned for the 4th? Yeah, there's actually a few. I wrote a blog about this and I will link it down below, but off the top of my head, I can think of a few. There's going to be fireworks actually on the 3rd at Destin Commons after Smoke the Coast barbecue competition thing that's going on all day. And then there's also going to be fireworks over Destin Harbor at Harbor Rock Village that you can go to, and then there'll be fireworks in Fort Walton Beach, and then there will be fireworks at Baytown Wharf. That's what I can think of off the top of my head, but I will post the 4th of July events blog down below when I'm done filming this, so I'll go back and do that for you guys. But it's going to be a fun week. The water feels great. It's around 85 degrees. Coming on the 13th, wondering if the water's safe to get in, hearing lots of no's and getting in the water. I have no problem getting in the water. So I've been dreading talking about this, guys, but I will go into this. I spent pretty much, I don't even know how many hours researching this over the weekend, because I wanted to have a solid answer to give you guys about bacteria in the water and the bottom line is I'm 24 years old. I'm not a doctor, so take everything I say with a grain of salt. I will tell you that I have no problem going in the water. I went in the water, put my head underwater and everything, went swimming. My camera stabilizer just freaked out. I went swimming and everything on Wednesday night, totally fine. I went on vacation past few days, but I stayed in the Gulf of Mexico area, and I went swimming in the Gulf again on Saturday. Not concerned at all. A lot of people are worried about bacteria. I guess a girl got flesh-eating bacteria while swimming in the ocean in this area. And here's the thing about that. I'm a huge hypochondriac, so if I'm getting in the water, that says a lot, that I think it's okay. You just have to be mindful. Pack Neosporin with you. If you have like a cut or something and it starts to swell up after going in the water, just immediately put some Neosporin on it. You know, like a few months, like weeks ago or whatever, I was in the water too when I had a blister, and the blister got super inflamed. My whole foot swelled up. Maybe that was the early stages of this bacteria that people are talking about, but I put some Neosporin on it. It was fine by the next morning. So just catch things early, take care of it. Don't put treatment off. If you notice that you're getting a bump or something that's swelling up, just put some Neosporin on it and don't let it get out of hand. Go to the doctor if you're worried about it earlier rather than later, because the bacteria only becomes flesh-eating if you don't treat it. So just keep it. I mean, you can get this bacteria from swimming pools and hot tubs and like anywhere. Like, this is not just only in the Gulf of Mexico. But yeah, I've really tried to research it over the weekend, and that's my conclusion that I came onto, but make your own decisions. Flags, I think right now are yellow. So, I mean, the beach is not closed to the public. People are swimming. Like I said earlier. If you're really concerned about coming, I would talk to your doctor first, see if it's okay for you. If you have any like immune system issues or something, I don't know. I'm not a doctor again, but I have a really crappy immune system, and I go in the water and I was fine. So. Camera stabilizer died. Sorry, guys. Any June grass? No, actually the June grass has left the area, so that's great. New restaurants to try. New ones. There's a Paula Deen's in Destin Commons. Trying to think what else is really new. There's about to open up a Black Bear bread cafe over in Sandustin. There's one in Grayton Beach already, but they're opening up a new one at Grand Boulevard really soon. It might actually already be open, but I'm pretty sure it's opening like within the week, if not, or sometime this month. If you haven't been to Destin recently and you're just wondering about restaurants to try that will be new for you, I really like Lulu's, Cantina Laredo, and yeah, those are my two favorite. McGuire's is a good one too. I'm reading in the comments you guys' favorites. Alright guys, thank you for watching this morning. I'm going to switch over to our Instagram account. So if you want to keep watching this beach walk, go over to Instagram. Our Instagram is old98Destin, and I'm about to go film a live on there. So go check that out, and don't forget to check out Bliss Beach Rentals too. You can book your vacation through there. We've got condos and vacation homes on their website. So go check that out. Check out the blog on there too. Lots of things going on in Destin we can check out. Bye guys!